Be my lover, yeah. Be my best friend.
Hey Google, play the radio.
I will wait on your
Good morning, Vancouver. I hope you're all doing great today. It's looking like a cloudy day out today. We got a high of +6 with a low of -1. I guess this Canadian winter just never wants to be ending, but things are looking better. We don't have -20 out today, so that's a plus. I do suggest to keep your bathing suits and your beach toys away for now. Summer's just around the corner, but snow's in the forecast for this week, so all in all, everyone, go have a fabulous day. Don't let the weather stop you from doing anything.
We left New York City with our windows down. We couldn't see the trees and it was too damn loud. I will stand on your border and I'll search through the clouds. Yeah, we left New York City with our windows down.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Peterson. As you can see, I've been a bit busy. I don't think I've posted in like a week and a half now. I've been working on a lot of mini doc series stuff and some other things, and I've been busy with school and all that stuff. But I'm back today, and I'm back with Melissa. Shh. And this is moments before she's about to jump in the water. How you feeling, Mal?
Regarding this,
You haven't even done it yet.
it's so cold.
And we're in March, early March right now. The water's about 7 degrees, so
7 degrees is like -22.
she's gonna go for it. She's gonna jump in. And I haven't decided if I'm gonna jump in.
Jump in.
I think Melissa might just jump in on it.
No, I can't do it, Liam. I'm gonna die. Like,
You're good. You're fine. You're fine.
No, Liam, go check.
Do you believe in yourself?
No.
I believe in
I
you.
don't believe in myself.
And I feel like we just shot this entire morning, this cinematic sequence. So now you have to jump. We gotta do this. Now or never. It's now or never. Okay, here we go. 10 seconds. Here we go. 10. Just get over with, Melly. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. Just go for it. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. How'd it go? Is it cold?
I'm so cold. I can't feel my body.
Okay, get the towel on. You did it! How'd that feel?
It's cold. Okay, Liam's gonna go.
I don't think so.
Yeah,
It
go.
looked pretty cold. I kind of feel like I should go. I'm already out here.
Yes, go. It was good.
Okay, I'll go. I'll do it. Let's make this very clear. I am not doing this because of peer pressure. I'm doing this for an experience. How many times can you do this? Probably a lot. But that's not the point. It's an experience. It's a memory. It's a moment.
Purple and blue.
Yeah. There's a sea lion over there. What if he tickles my toes? I'm scared now.
5, 4, 2, 1. Go! Woo!
My nipples are burning. My nipples hurt. Ow! Oh, my nipples. My nipples hurt. Well, maybe next time we wait for a warmer month. What do you think, Mel?
I think a warmer month would be way better. It was fine.
It was fun.
It was fun.
It was fun.
Yeah, it was
Great.
It was refreshing.
I know this wasn't a big video, guys, but sometimes finding your adventure can mean the smallest of things. Whether it's coming out with your sister and jumping in the water in March, so in Vancouver, in 6-degree weather. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, do what you gotta do, and I will see you guys on Thursday.